what is this? What is this thing I'm staring at? Oh, he didn't. He didn't. He popped the hood. Went right to the meaty
Mustang
details.
GT.
07 Mustang.
Yep, 07 Mustang. I have a whole parts list I'm gonna pull up real quick.
Okay. This is gonna be like a Facebook Marketplace detail video.
I guess in a sense, yeah.
Right.
So obviously it's a 463 valve. Has some modifications to it. Maybe just some.
Get closer to it.
Has a mild 91 octane tune from Bama Tunes.
What does that do to it?
It runs better off of 91 than
Okay.
87 or any other. It gives it more power.
Okay.
Drivetrain mods, obviously, got the Ford Performance intake. I got Elderbrock ignition coils.
Let's see if we can do this man justice. We got the Jesus light in the building. Actually, not in the building. It's outside, but may as well be.
Got a Ford Performance throttle light, C&L cold air intake. Just for looks, I got powder coated blue valve covers. It has a Ford Racing cams, catch can.
What's your favorite thing about it? Like, what stands out? Why is this your build? Why does this mean something to you?
Because it's a clean and sleek build that's loud as fuck.
Start it up. Show them. Give them some sauce. Jesus light. It's no joke, man. Wait, let me get in the back. Let's do them well. We don't talk about that. Yep.
Apparently this car itself is rare. There's 2,000 of these made. That was red on red in 07. I did some simple cosmetic upgrades to it. It needs more cosmetic upgrades.
Let's get them some sauce in the interior. Watch out. You have to show them what they're missing out on.
Oh my goodness, this thing works. So, like I said, red on red interior. I got a short throw shifter. MGW short throw. I got a carbon fiber dash on it. The seats need to be redone. The door panel needs to be redone, both of them. But I'm gonna put real leather into it instead of leather.
Okay.
Probably put new carpet in it because that's loose.
You been smoking in here, young man?
No, I have not. It has a Apple CarPlay radio. I don't think there was much else done to the interior besides a mirror. There's a big ass mirror just sitting there.
Oh yeah, it's one of my favorite things. That thing. In the back and even in the front, you can see anything back there.
It's because the original mirror is shit.
Yeah.
It has 5% tint on that window, the back window, and the two side windows. I think that's 5% too. I don't know for sure. It could be 5 or 35.
Okay.
Or 5 or 15. Window. The front window isn't tinted. I do have a new hood for it that is getting primered hopefully soon, and I'll sand it down and get it painted. I'm gonna be buying new fenders since there's a crease here.
What happened? How'd the crease get there?
Raccoon.
Nice.
And me opening the door while just wasn't paying attention, I guess, in the best sense. This front bumper is going to be painted. I'm going to have the lower grille piece for it too.
Did you also hit a raccoon with that?
Yeah, raccoon and Cadillac.
A Cadillac? What happened? Show me a little Cadillac damage. Joe! What? What, the bubble gum?
It didn't cause too much damage. We fixed most of it, but I'm going to get a new fender, 2 new fenders, wheel liner. There's a lot of small stuff that needs to be done to it. The side skirts need to be painted. Everything that comes off besides the doors will come off and get painted.
Okay.
It's all going to be color matched, and it's There's no check engine light. Just got the car dynoed. Made 334 horsepower. Put that in the video. There's some cosmetic issues, obviously, on the quarter panel back there. The spoiler needs to be realigned. There's a lot of small stuff that just needs to be done to it, but she runs like a champ. No issues with the engine.
Hit him with the brake lights. Now, what happened? You just had to swap those out. They used to be a little snazzier.
I had Euro spec taillights on it. Euro specs. But
nice.
6 months of owning them, the LEDs went out. So I take those off. By the time I sell this car, I'm gonna sell it for 16. But
on the dot, not 15.99. Don't show up skimpy. 16 motherfucking cash.
She's a good car. Won't want anything lower. Yeah, she'll be for sale soon.
Watch
do
out.
A lot of work on it to get it ready.
This could be yours. You could win this. For a small price of 16 grand, you could have this. Which is fair, it's a nice car.
Hey, it beats single turbo Subarus.
There you go.
Built ones. So
You could walk or you could get this.
Yeah.
Your two options in life.
She's a pretty damn good car. I get complimented every time I drive it.
Nice.
Every time. Even by old people. You know it's a good build when old people compliment you.
Yeah. Genuinely.
So, hopefully within the span of a month or so, she should be ready for sale.
Yeah. Real quick, I'm gonna get a thumbnail. I think you ought to show them where the hood is and what's the story.
Alright.
Gosh, it looks like snow. It feels like, wow, good job.
Oh shit.
You did good. You just put grease on it? Straight up right away. First thing. That's authentic.
But
I love it. I love the shape of it.
should be the last sand and should be ready for paint. Once this gets painted, there's a plastic piece that goes here. I gotta fix that too because people decided to put like cement on it to keep that plastic piece in place last time.
Weird.
So I had to get all of that out.
You guys have no idea how nice this feels. This is like, it is just as satisfying to look at as it is to touch. No, you can leave. I'm just gonna sit here and do this till tomorrow and clock back in. So, are you still gonna cut a little slit right there, or are you just gonna leave no air?
No air.
What in the Ford slow performance are you talking
basically. Well, we also don't want rain getting into the
Intake?
Yeah.
I guess. Slow ass.
But she's getting there.
Very cool.
Once this gets painted, everything else gets painted.
Just like that. He just paints this and everything just like max ammo.
Yep.
Infinite God ammo glitch. Here's Yanni's cab.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yo, I just have to introduce him to the Jesus light. Dude, the Jesus light. It's no joke. It's serious, man.
Yeah, you can see all the imperfections on my car from the Jesus light.
Alrighty. We got Zavier's Mustang. Here it is. Alrighty, Colton, you cool with being in some YouTube content?
Oh yeah, I'm perfectly fine
Heck yeah. Alrighty. Zavier, what's going down?
Currently sanding.
What the?
All right now.
What am I looking at? This thumb.
Currently gonna sand down the trunk lid, but I'm sanding down the car for a paint job that it's about to have. Tuesday is the goal. To get it painted.
Okay. And Colton, you're working on the hood?
Yep, just sanding down the hood.
He's a madman. Zavier
Looks
said,
good.
where are we at? Yeah, I think we are naturally in some highs and lows. I think we're gonna have to lay filler, like a blanket, across pretty much the whole body, and then just block sand that, and you get all the highs and lows out.
Yeah, there's still some spots that I'll get once I get a fresh roll of sandpaper, but
yeah, Xavier's feeling pretty good about just throw some paint on her, eh? Yep, that's it. You're getting paint. Just spit on it.
Spit on that thing.
Poo. Hellcat swap Challenger from the 70s. Watch out. Hey! Hey, you got anything for the viewers at the very end? This is the end of the video. This is the last they're gonna see about your GT 06.
I'm gonna be
07.
looking better than the fucking Hellcats and Chargers out there.
He's just upset because that's gonna be faster than this could ever be, and he could never even catch up to the 70s model with the Hellcat.
I could.
Oh,
I could.
Here he comes. Here he comes. You know what he's gonna do? He's gonna say, "If I put a Hemi in it."
No, I'm gonna put maybe a Coyote swap one.
Hey, you know, you could keep up with all the other Fords. They make a secondary class for you racers.
Better yet, put a Voodoo motor in it.
Yeah. There you go. Well, when you're ready to hit 1,000 horsepower stock, just holler.
Stock.
Yep.
You mean the Demon 170s?
Yeah.
That are getting gapped by
Here he comes. Here he comes. All right, that's the end.